In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Google Slides presentation to advance automatically every 30 seconds. This can be incredibly useful for creating a smooth, self-running presentation, whether you're preparing a hands-off lecture, an instructional video, or simply want your audience to enjoy a seamless viewing experience. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open the Google Slides presentation you intend to time. This is your starting point, where all the magic happens. With your presentation now open and ready, let's move on to the next step, which involves accessing the all-important publishing options. To do this, navigate to the File menu in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll see an option that says Publish to the Web. Choosing this option is crucial because it's what allows us to set those automatic slide transitions we're aiming for. Once you're inside the Publish to the Web dialog box, you'll notice a section labeled Auto Advance Slides. This section is where we set the timing for how frequently your slides advance. You'll see a drop-down menu here, and since our goal is to set the slides to transition every 30 seconds, you will select every 30 seconds from this drop-down menu. It's essential to pick the exact timing that suits your presentation needs, and for this demonstration, 30 seconds is perfect. With your timing now selected, it's time to publish your presentation. Click the Publish button, but be ready because you will need to confirm this action. Google Slides will prompt you with a confirmation message to ensure you understand that the presentation will now be accessible on the web with the settings you've chosen. Go ahead and confirm this action. After clicking Publish and confirming, you'll be provided with a link. This is the link that will enable viewers to see your presentation with those automatic 30-second transitions. Copy this link carefully. It's important because it's the gateway to your timings being put to use. Now that you have the link, it's time to test your presentation. Open a new tab in your web browser and paste the link into the address bar. Hit Enter and your presentation should load, now incorporating the 30-second automatic transitions. This final step is just to ensure everything is functioning as intended, providing that seamless viewing experience you set out to achieve. That's all there is to it. By following these simple yet effective steps, you've successfully set your Google Slides presentation to advance every 30 seconds. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.